Hey there, summer's almost over, and I want to share with you some things that can be valuable when your child's starting school. Because as a parent of a child with autism, there's some of a sense of relief with, hey, school's starting, we get a little break, isn't that nice during the day? But then, got to be honest, there's a little bit of fear, or maybe a lot of fear. Okay, my child's going into school. How are they going to do? Are they going to be able to sit in the classroom? Will they be able to learn this year? Will they have behavioral outbursts? Will they get in trouble? Will I end up talking to the staff all the time? I remember those days myself. My son's recovered today, but I remember how hard that was, and I want to be able to help you make it easier, understand why some of those things are, why your child has the sensory issues, and why they're so anxious, and why they maybe have trouble with social interaction and making friends as well. And as school approaches, I think it's really important to know that a lot of this has to do with healing their biology. Now, that might be a new concept to you, and it's, of course, way, way more than diet. Most people have heard about diet being the key, but it is one of what I call the 4 necessary stages to recover from autism. And I've put it together in a free workshop for you because I want you as a parent to know what those are so that you're not stopping short of what it takes to get your child actually better and get results and changes and help them be able to sit in a classroom. And many kids I've seen go literally, even including my own son, from D's and F's to A's and B's. It's not that they're not intelligent, it's that their brain is toxic and loaded with inflammation and other things that are preventing them from being able to focus properly and to be able to stay calm and relaxed in a classroom like anywhere else and make friends. So please go to my free workshop and learn what these stages are. naturallyrecoveringautism.com/free workshop. It's there for you, and you'll be able to understand a lot more of what you can do for your child and how I can help you if you need support, because I want to be able to support you on this journey. I know how challenging it can be. I've lived it myself, and I want to be able to be there for you as well. So please go get the free workshop, check it out, and understand it'll help. And also, coming up soon, I will be offering some information to you about 504 plans, IEPs, etc., for school advocacy for children with special needs. So make sure you follow me, share it with others, please, who you know might be interested in this. Give me a like, and keep it going so that other parents get these resources too, because I want as many people who need them to know about it. I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks.